Hello, friends. In this lesson, we are going to learn the negative word Radu. In general sense, Radu is used an opposition word to Vastundi. Examples: ఈ రైలు సమయానికి వస్తుందా? Does this train arrive on time? రాదు, no or does not. ఆమె ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వస్తుందా? Does she come here now? రాదు, no or does not. But Radu is used as an opposite word to Vastundi when the subject is in third person singular and the two only for she and it. If the subject is he, then we have to say Radu. For first and second person singular and plurals and third person plural, it is as follows. First person singular, Ranu. For example, I do not come. Nenu Ranu. First person plural, Ramu. We do not come. Memu Ramu. Second person singular, Ravu. You do not come. Nuvu Ravu. Second person plural and third person plural, Raru. You do not come. Meeru Raru. They do not come. Varu Raru. Some more examples. Nenu akkadiki ranu. I do not come there. Nuvu ma intiki ravu. You do not come to my home. Memu కాలేజీకి రాము. We do not come to college. మీరు తోటకి రారు. You do not come to the garden. వారు మార్కెట్కి రారు. They do not come to the market.